Accolade. Accolade. Praise. Praise. The award was a well-deserved accolade. The award was a well-deserved accolade. Speculations. Speculations. Ideas. Ideas. His speculations about the stock market were risky. His speculations about the stock market were risky. Redemption. Redemption. The action of saving. The action of saving. His redemption came through hard work. His redemption came through hard work. Lucrative. Lucrative. Profitable. Profitable. The business proved to be very lucrative. The business proved to be very lucrative. Unethically. Unethically. Acting in violation of ethical standards. Acting in violation of ethical standards. He acquired the information unethically. He acquired the information unethically. Depletion. Depletion. Reduction. Reduction. The depletion of natural resources is a concern. The depletion of natural resources is a concern. Excavation. Excavation. Digging. Digging. The archaeological excavation revealed ancient artifacts. The archaeological excavation revealed ancient artifacts. Fierce. Fierce. Aggressive. Aggressive. The fierce competition was challenging. The fierce competition was challenging. Betrayal. Betrayal. Breaking of trust. Breaking of trust. His betrayal hurt her deeply. His betrayal hurt her deeply. Coincide. Coincide. Occur at the same time. Occur at the same time. Their birthdays coincided this year. Their birthdays coincided this year. Bilateral. Bilateral. Involving two sides. Involving two sides. The agreement was a bilateral deal. The agreement was a bilateral deal. Unveiled. Unveiled. Revealed. Revealed. The artist unveiled her latest masterpiece. The artist unveiled her latest masterpiece. Stumbled. Stumbled. Tripped. Tripped. He stumbled on the uneven path. He stumbled on the uneven path. Faint. Faint. Lacking strength. Lacking strength. She heard a faint sound in the distance. She heard a faint sound in the distance. Dialect. Dialect. A particular form of a language. A particular form of a language. The region had its own unique dialect. The region had its own unique dialect. Auction. Auction. A public sale where items are sold to the highest bidder. A public sale where items are sold to the highest bidder. The painting was sold at an auction. The painting was sold at an auction. Curbing. Curbing. Controlling. Controlling. They focused on curbing pollution. They focused on curbing pollution. Combat. Combat. Fighting. Fighting. Soldiers were trained for combat. Soldiers were trained for combat. Scarce. Scarce. In short supply, not plentiful. In short supply, not plentiful. Water became scarce during the drought. Water became scarce during the drought. Possession. Possession. Ownership. Ownership. The car is now in her possession. The car is now in her possession.